Meaning of especially.
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 Especially. Especially is an adverb that indicates something is particularly noteworthy or deserving of attention. It is used to single out a specific thing or group from others and implies that it is different or more significant in some way. For example, I love all types of music, but especially jazz. In this case, the speaker is saying that jazz holds a special place among all other types of music. Especially emphasizes and highlights the importance or uniqueness of something in relation to the context or subject at hand.